ICE50 would like to be your dedicated dental education app. Dear respected dental affiliates, hi, I am Dr. Elo, part of an elite group of ICE50 avatars to present ICE50, the first AI video dental education app on the planet, CDA, ADA, and C.E.R.P certified. Users can communicate through live chat to get all required 50 CE units during any of the video lectures by renowned attorneys, financial advisors to include Elavon, Bank of America, respected universities including Boston U, Tufts, Harvard, Tokyo, and University of California, Los Angeles Schools of Dentistry. Plus, ICE50 has an expansive scientific literature publications section presented by elite lecturers in American and international dental research meetings. Our areas of expertise include chart documentations, timing of informed consents, risk management, and real-time court cases, so you can learn from others' mistakes to diminish likelihood of malpractice. ICE50 is extremely user-friendly with a 60-second video tutorial. Get CE units directly from your iPhone or web at www.ice50.com without having to deal with travel, parking, excessive fees, difficult exams, and headaches. Download ICE50 app from iTunes, sign up monthly or yearly to get 2 months free, plus enter promo code FREE5 to get an additional month membership free. We at ICE50 are excited to have you as part of our risk management and protective team. We look forward to discussing this win-win collaboration. Respectfully, Dr. Elo, ICE50 Avatar.